Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a super easy kind of enhancing eye look using minimal products. So it's gonna be super natural. This way it's also gonna be for people that maybe don't feel comfortable wearing like too obvious eyeshadow, or you can wear this for work because it will not really look like you have a lot of product on your eyelid, but it will still enhance your own eyes. So the first thing you want to do is prime your eyelids. I always like to use the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, and this will remove all the redness from the eyelid. You could also use some concealer instead of primer. Do what works for you. And then after that, you want to set it with some powder so it's locked in place. Now in my previous video, I told you guys if you recreated my purple eye look, I will show the look in this video. So these are the only two people that send me a recreation, but both of them are so pretty. So if you recreate one of my makeup tutorials, just tag me on Instagram and I will share it in one of my upcoming videos. Oh, and of course, if you don't have Instagram, you can also send it to my email, which is linked in my description bar. So I took a bronzer or contour. It kind of depends on what you like. If you want a little bit more warmth in your crease, you can also use a bronzer, but I used a contour powder, which is a little bit more neutral, so it also looks less obvious. It will kind of create like a shadowy effect in your crease. So I'm just gonna blend this in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. You don't have to be like super precise, but it will just add some color. And then I went in with the same product. And now I'm taking an eyeliner brush and I'm just gonna create like a super tiny wing liner. This will just give the illusion that you have more of like a cat eye shaped eyelid, but in a really soft way. You can just use some eyeshadow for this. If you do want it to be a little bit more obvious, of course, you can also use like a more darker brown eyeshadow. But this eye look is all about like being very soft, just being really subtle, in a way that it looks like you have almost nothing on your eyes, but you still have. But of course you can give your own twist to this eye look. So now I'm also going to use a little bit of that in the inner corner, which will give more of that pointy inner corner effect. I know some people actually have a natural eye shape like that, and I'm so jealous because I think that's so pretty. And then of course you want to use some concealer, because concealer really brightens up the eyes underneath the eyes, if that makes sense. If you have like super dark circles, it will make you look more tired. So definitely use a little bit of concealer underneath your eyes to really waken up your whole makeup look. So now I'm gonna go in with some like highlighter, and this can be just a highlighter that you use for your face. Now this is optional, but I thought let me just show this because I really love the look that highlighter gives in the inner corner. It just really subtly like brightens up the eyelid as well. I think it's super pretty, and if you want to go for like a minimal eye makeup look, I think this is definitely gonna be something that you would like. Now I'm also gonna pop a little bit of that underneath the brow, and then I added a little bit more in the inner corner, and I just sweep whatever I have left on my brush underneath my eye area. Then I went in with this pencil, which is the Super Nudes from Charlotte Tilbury. You don't have to use this brand. I mean, there are plenty of brands that have like a similar one as this one. You just want to take a light color. It will really brighten up your eyes and make your eyes appear a little bit bigger. It will also remove the redness from your waterline. So overall, it will just kind of make you less tired and more brighten up. Then I of course curl my lashes before I go in with mascara, because this will also kind of widen your eyes. So definitely don't skip using a lash curler. It will also make your mascara come out more beautifully. It will really lift your lashes more upwards, and this way it will also lift your eyes. So I use the Benefit Cosmetics Aurora Lash Mascara, which is my personal favorite, but of course use your own favorite mascara that you really like. Let me know in the comments what your favorite mascara is. Is there a mascara that you think I would really like? Let me know. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. And yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know if you want to see more of these kind of subtle everyday work eye looks. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.